Once a student has logged 120 hours, they must fill out a self-evaluation to complete their practicum. After they've completed the evaluation, you will also need to fill out an evaluation where you will review the student's performance. Please be sure to complete this evaluation in a timely fashion, as students cannot receive credit for the practicum until after it has been completed. Ideally, preceptors will complete the evaluation within 2 weeks of receiving the email notification to do so. When it is time for you to fill out the final evaluation, you will receive an email that looks like this. Use the link in the third paragraph to log into your account. Go to Active Practicums in the main navigation and select Evaluations. Make sure Final Evaluations is selected. Select Evaluate under the student's name. Here, you will be able to evaluate your student. Please keep in mind that your student will be able to see your review after you submit it. Once you have completed the evaluation, click Save at the bottom of the form. With the final evaluation completed, the practicum has officially concluded. For full details about the practicum process, please refer to the Preceptor Guidebook.